Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use u.com 20 plus AI chat models. So this app basically for gathering AI app. So simply tap on the open button, then you will see here 20 plus premium AI models. Answer you can trust, do complex work, create stunning image, and okay, not now, you can do it later. So you can see here like hi. So the basically thing is you can see here choose AI, like which AI you are going to get the answer through. Also tap here, then you can get here agent like smart research compute create, and this is the AI model GPT 4.5 preview, and all the things available here. You can see it's really nice. You will get all the AI models in one app. Then you have to choose which one you are going to choose, but this is not free. You need to subscribe the premium version and you have to create your account. Okay, I'm just going to create my account to continue with Google. So you can see here I already logged in. You need to log in to choose this one. So now I'm just going to choose this one, but it's like 4.5. It's a premium version, so you have to choose the free version. So I'm just going to choose, I don't know which one is free, maybe GPT-4. Hi, if I type, then you can see it's a smart voice, like workflow, thinking, responding, and you can choose leading AI models enhanced by u.com AI. So it's not free, right? Like GoPro, and this is you can choose here, and also it's smart. You can tap the recharge. If you see here a new chat, you can get here. It's a free plan. If you tap here, you can choose like you need $20 to purchase monthly package. So if you really need this pack, then you can use it. Also you can upload your image, videos, but you must buy the package, otherwise it's not possible. This is not free. You just talk, you just chat freely, but if you want to get the other things, you need to buy subscription. So you need to compute, you can see create, you can choose. So here you can see like access to 30 AI models and file and image uploads and powerful AI agents. So you'll get here after subscribe this. So today's no man, see you in the next video.